and welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club. As you know guys that this channel created to learn drawing and painting, so keep watching this video till the end and enjoy it. I hope you like this channel. We learn different type of painting here. Today we are going to color a baby doll. She is looking very beautiful.
Oh yeah!
I hope you are enjoying. Wow! Nice pink color. Now we choose black color for hair.
Oh no.
As you know that the hair is black.
Hey!
Very nice. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Good job. Now it's complete.
Bruh.
Thanks for being with me guys. I hope you like this baby doll.